Hat, a hard hat, and a clipboard, and you can go anywhere you want.
Whoa! Hey guys, Shalaco here. I'm at the Castro Theater for San Francisco's premiere of the movie Gift with Robin McKenna.
I'm very excited to be at the beautiful and legendary Castro Theater. It's cinephile's dream. And Gift is a feature documentary about creativity, art, and following real-life gift economies in 4 corners of the world.
All right, we're gonna go cause some mischief before the movie starts.
We're out of here. Cause some trouble.
5 minutes, the doors are open.
It's 5 minutes before the show starts, and I have the Castro Theater to myself. What should I do in the Castro Theater for 5 minutes by myself? Cartwheels? Guys, what brings you here tonight?
Well, to see the Gift movie, of course.
Alright, just watch. Oh my god, it's real! I think I'm dreaming.
You guys, it's gifting mayhem in the lobby of the Castro. This is nuts. What are you up to?
I am giving out honey.
Oh yeah?
Enjoy, guys.
What's going on over here?
Some love. I'm giving out some love.
Yeah.
Perfect.
What'd you get?
I got Crossroads, so it might be a life-changing night. There was one where I was like...
Excuse me.
Yes.
Could you explain to me what gifting means?
Gifting means giving it away. None of it's ours. We move it on.
Oh, thank you. What does gifting mean to you? Gift, yeah.
I believe it's like us showing up as our best self and sharing it with others.
What does gifting mean to you?
Oh man, to me it means truly giving a little piece of yourself to someone without asking for anything in return.
Hey, complete stranger, what does gifting mean to you?
Just sharing in ideas and experience and your presence. It's giving without condition.
Thanks for that. Are gifts important?
Gifts are the flow of life itself.
All right, what's gifting mean? Oh, that's I'm pretty sure that's literally what it means. We have a little treat for you. Robin was kind enough to gift us with a little preview of some of the highlights from the movie so you can check it out for yourself. Here you go.
Do you know about the artwork? Not yet. So you're invited by the artist to take a flower and you pass it on as a gift to a stranger.
I think the gift economy and the concept of gifting is really challenging because it's so counter to what we've been taught.
Our people were so rich with wealth, not money. It was about us giving every last dime that we had so that your pockets are hanging out.
Metropolis è il primo museo abitato del pianeta Terra. Quello che si porta a Metropolis, no? Va regalato, quindi anche il nostro tempo.
The gift is not something I want to own. It has a life of its own and it flows.
Excuse me, may I offer you a gift of song?
When you give someone a gift, you're taking the risk that the person might not want what you're giving.
What if nobody shows up? Scary, this part of it. We're giving away everything that we had to become wealthy.
Wealth is many, many things, not just money. The gift, it goes around in a circle. It comes to you, and then you pass it on.
So I have to be honest with you guys. I had never heard about this movie before a couple days ago when they asked me to come film the Q&A for this. And this one really genuinely inspired me because it was both aesthetically beautiful as well as telling this amazing story of 4 different examples of how gifts help weave the cultural fabric of this important place that they have in different people's lives and how they help connect people. and that was really touching to me. So if that resonates with you, you should go check it out. Anyways, thanks for watching. See you next week.